Alright guys, she's BuBu. You remember I told you about a Suzuki Bandit 600. First of all, we will have a coffee and then we hit the road. Right, so we finished the coffee and now we will call our friend. Let's see if he's answering, first of all. Hello John,
Hello.
how are you?
Good. You?
Good, you home?
Yeah.
You fancy a coffee?
Yeah, of course.
Alright, I will be 5 minutes.
Okay, see you in a minute.
Alright, let's go to have a little bit fun. This is John. Hello John. How are you?
Hola.
We'll have a go. We will see how it goes. Yeah, why not? Right, let's see if he's starting again. Okay. See you soon guys, and drive safe, be good boys, and see you next time. See ya.